I'm going to show you how to request access to the Dardel HPC cluster maintained by KTH and PDC, that's the HPC center. I'm going to walk you through the documentation and do it and show it. So this is the documentation of PDC that is in charge of Dardel, that's maintaining Dardel. And there are some questions here, and we're going to apply for a time allocation or a compute allocation to do calculations. And we're going to use a small allocations. Those are easiest to get. So if we want to try out something, we're going to do this. And they redirect us here or here, apply for an account. There are some things you need to fill in. I just go to the website and I'll show you. Apply for a super account. We already have that. We're going to go to super.nice.sc/round. So you do need to log into this. I just go to the start page here and you see that I'm not logged in yet, and if you are a Swedish researcher, you can register yourself as a new person and you can log in from that moment on. I'll log in. I've not done that yet, so let's do this. I work in Uppsala. It works maybe a bit different if you're from someplace else. But I think everybody has need for a two-factor authentication number, so I'm gonna use this. So for me it's called Super on my two-factor authentication app, 228552. There, now I'm logged in, so I do some stuff. I'm gonna request a Dardel. I click here on rounds, and then I ask for a compute round. And I want to use a nice small compute round. So nice means it's a national HPC cluster, and Dardel is a national wide cluster. So everybody, every Swedish researcher can use Dardel. It says that I have some proposals. Sure, I'm going to create a new one anyways. And I'm going to call it test. I'm going to create it from scratch. I'm going to call it test because this is just a demo, and I click on new proposal. So most of the things are filling out, like what will you use it for is here. I'm not going to show this. This is too easy. And also you'll get warnings that you should fill it in. But the most important thing, if you want to use Dardel, then you click on this line of dashes, you click on Dardel. So I'm not going to use the GPUs, I'm going to use the regular Dardel cluster. I'm going to add this resource to my proposal, which means that I'll be able to use it thanks to this proposal. And I'm going to use very few core hours. It's a testing project and I'm not even going to submit it. But fill in anything you like here, although there's a limit of 20 apparently. I'm going to add this resource, and then it says, hey dear user, you don't request any storage. I can click that I don't need storage. I can say, well, I want to use the default storage. I'm just going to use the default storage. I'm going to give it a name, stuff like this. I don't care much about this. And I select this, and now I even have storage. So if we take a look at the resources, we see that I have requested 1,000 core hours of Dardel a month. I have 500 gigabytes of storage, but you can also remove this. It's not the most important one in this example. And if I'm ready, I can submit the proposal, and then I'm done. Now it will definitely give me some errors because it says, hey dear user, you have not provided an abstract, and this is where to fix it. Right. If you fix this, you can scroll down and you can apply again. With that, I conclude this video on how to get access to Dardel, a cluster at PDC in Stockholm. And with that, I wish you a very good day. Bye!